Welcome beading buddies. I'm Barefoot Beader, and this is my channel. I'm glad you stopped by to see what this month's collab has in store for you. Here is a list of the materials and options Deb Hauk, our host, gave us for this month. It's kind of hard to read, so I'll briefly go through it with you. First, she asked us to use colors such as artichoke or dark green, chocolate or dark brown, taupe or tan, and charcoal. She also gave us the option of adding leaves or something that signified new growth. Down the middle column of the list you can see, she gave us suggestions of what kind of gems we could use. I made these long earrings using antique brass wire hooks and findings. I used some antique wire, a brass spacer bead, antique 5x3mm faceted taupe rondelle agate, then a 6x6mm dark brown wooden cube, and another brass spacer. I used simple wire wrap loops to complete the station. I connected that station to another station by using another wire wrap loop. This station was made using two 4mm dark green jasper beads on each side of a floral glass bead. I finished it off with a wire wrap loop. I used 5mm brass jump rings to connect antique brass leaves at the end. These cute little earrings are made with gold spacer beads, a taupe, 5x3mm faceted agate, green agate, and dark brown snowflake obsidian beads. At the ends, I used green leaf-shaped glass beads. Thank you all for joining me. Please take a moment to visit the other collaborators. Their links are in the video, but I'll put them in the description box below also. I'd be so honored if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a like as well. I love reading comments too, especially uplifting ones. Goodbye for now and God bless.